Hi, my name is Sam and I'm from Eaton Vehicle Group. In this tips and tricks video, I will be talking about the low mode function in the Ultrashift Plus transmission. Low mode has two features. When enabled at a standstill by selecting low on the shift controller, the transmission will select the lowest gear possible, preventing any upshifts. This is beneficial for drivers driving across any dirt or muddy surfaces such as the depot yard, or in any low traction situations where you do not want to upshift. As an example, we are now entering a yard where we want to be in the lowest gear possible while preventing any upshifts. In order to do this, we shift the transmission into low mode and it will maintain the lowest gear. However, the Ultrashift Plus will always initiate an upshift if necessary for engine overspeed protection. The other main advantage of low mode in Ultrashift Plus is to use it in any instance you would want to maximise engine braking and minimise the use of the brakes. For example, when driving down long grades or coming to a stop, the driver can utilise this low mode feature. If low mode is selected whilst moving, the transmission will not upshift. The transmission will only downshift at the earliest opportunity to provide maximum engine braking. Now we are approaching a roundabout. With the engine brakes on, we shift the transmission into low mode. The transmission will begin to downshift at a higher RPM. This maximises engine braking and slows down the vehicle with minimum surface brake usage. Once you have reached the appropriate gear, shift the transmission back into drive and the downshift point returns back to start.